Have you ever pondered why waiting for the opportune moment frequently leaves us stagnant? Think about how many times you create excuses and lies in your head to avoid doing things. It's time to seize the moment, to focus on the now and align our priorities. In the words of the Stoics, let's recognize that excuses are the language of those who are not dedicated to success. It's time to stop waiting for opportunities to come our way and instead make them happen. In a world where many people are content with waiting, we must break free from this mentality. Procrastination and excuses have no place in the pursuit of our goals. It's crucial to understand that time is of the essence. Waiting for the right moment or the perfect circumstances only hinders our progress. We live in a busy society where we often let external factors control our lives. Whether it's a demanding job or other responsibilities, we must not forget the importance of self-care, both mentally and physically. As Stoicism teaches us, we have control over our thoughts and actions, and it's our responsibility to prioritize what truly matters. Let's reflect on the value of our health. Stoics emphasize the importance of focusing on what is within our control. Instead of waiting for health issues to arise, take proactive steps to maintain well-being. This aligns with the Stoic principle of accepting the things we cannot change and taking action where we can. It's time to move away from materialistic pursuits and focus on living a meaningful life. As Stoics advocate, true wealth lies in our virtues, actions, and relationships, not in the accumulation of material possessions. Let's not take life, jobs, or relationships for granted. In challenging times, some people face circumstances beyond their control, such as illness or homelessness. Stoicism teaches us to acknowledge the unpredictability of life and develop resilience. Rather than dwelling on challenges, focus on the choices within your control and make the right decisions. Excuses are powerful barriers that hinder personal growth. Stoics emphasize the importance of self-discipline and overcoming obstacles. Instead of celebrating excuses, let's celebrate our ability to overcome challenges and push through discomfort. Excuses, though tempting, act as formidable roadblocks on our path to personal growth. The Stoics, masters of self-discipline and resilience, offer valuable insights. Instead of letting excuses take center stage, let's shift our focus to celebrating our innate capacity to conquer challenges and navigate through discomfort. In the grand symphony of life, excuses play a dissonant note, disrupting the melody of progress. The Stoic philosophy encourages us to view obstacles not as insurmountable walls, but as stepping stones to our better selves. Each challenge met with determination becomes a triumph, a testament to our strength and resilience. Consider this: every excuse carries the potential for growth left untapped. When we redirect our energy from justifying our inaction to confronting challenges, we unlock a reservoir of personal power. It's about transforming excuses into opportunities, about rewriting the narrative of our journey from one of stagnation to one of continuous triumph over adversity. So let's not just acknowledge the power of excuses. Let's acknowledge our even greater power to overcome them. Celebrate the victories born from resilience and self-discipline, for they pave the way for a more empowered and fulfilled version of ourselves. So let's not just acknowledge the power of excuses. Let's acknowledge our even greater power to overcome them. Celebrate the victories born from resilience and self-discipline, for they pave the way for a more empowered and fulfilled version of ourselves. Sacrifice is a recurring theme in Stoic philosophy. To achieve our goals, we may need to sacrifice certain comforts or relationships. Stoicism encourages us to embrace discomfort and view it as an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. In the quest for success, it's crucial to be authentic and original. Stoicism teaches us to be true to ourselves and not seek validation from others. Instead of emulating others, focus on developing your unique strengths and contributions. Asking the question, "Who am I?" is inherent to the Stoic journey of self-discovery. Reflect on your values, virtues, and purpose. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of understanding oneself and aligning actions with principles. Life is a series of tests according to Stoic philosophy. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Each test you pass becomes a testimony of your resilience and strength, echoing the Stoic principle that this too shall pass. Faith, in the Stoic sense, is not about blind belief, but about standing firm in the face of adversity. Have faith in your ability to endure challenges, and remember that your character is shaped by how you respond to tests. In conclusion, it's time to integrate Stoic principles into our lives. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, prioritize what truly matters, and cultivate resilience in the face of adversity. Remember, the test is upon you, but it's also an opportunity to shape your testimony. Conduct your business with virtue, and from the bottom of my heart, stay true to your Stoic journey.